Hello dear students, in this lecture of database management system, we are going to see the concept of indexes in database management system. Basically, index in database management system is very much similar to the index at the back side of our book. If you want to search a particular topic in the book, you just go to the backside index, which is arranged in the alphabetical order. By using this index, you can easily find out the topic that you want to search. Similarly, here in database also, if you want to search a particular record, it can be easily searched by using these indices. The example of this index mechanism or index is the author catalog in the library. So, library system is a very big system and we have the author catalog in the library. So, based on the author's name, we can search the book very easily. While searching, we have the search key concept. Search key is nothing but the attribute to set of attributes used to look up the records in a file. An index file consists of records called index entries of the form. Search key and pointer, this is the format of the index. Whatever search key we want, that search key is written and then its corresponding pointer has to be searched for searching the element or record. Index files are typically much smaller than the original file. So, for example of book is a very big thing, that is the original book, and its index is very small as compared to book pages. So, index files are typically much smaller than the original file. For example, table of contents in a book, then index in a book, catalog in a library, inventory in a warehouse. These are some of the examples of indices. There are two basic types of indices or kinds of indices. First is ordered indices and second is hash indices. Ordered indices, as the name suggests, this index search the keys which are stored in sorted order. So, in ordered indices, all the search keys are stored in the sorted order, like the index at the back side of the book. And hash indices, this index search keys are distributed uniformly across buckets using a hash function. Hash function is nothing but the mathematical expression which uniquely identify the record, and these buckets are maintained as per the range of the record values. In this way, we have seen the concept of index and types of indices. In next lecture, we will see what exactly the ordered indices are. Thanks for listening.